Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished you could access your favorite third-party tools like a Notion dashboard or a tax tracker without constantly switching between browser tabs while working in your accounting software? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to use web tabs in Zoho Books to boost your efficiency and keep your workflow streamlined. This is a powerful feature that turns your accounting dashboard into a centralized hub for all your business needs. If you find this guide helpful, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. Let's dive straight into the setup. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings menu. From there, navigate to the customization section and select the option labeled Web Tabs. Web tabs effectively allow you to embed external websites or applications directly into your Zoho Books sidebar. This eliminates the need to jump back and forth between different browser windows, allowing you to focus on your work seamlessly. To create a new one, simply click the button that says New Tab. A window will appear where you need to enter the name of your tab and the specific URL of the website you wish to integrate. Be sure to double-check your link to ensure everything loads correctly. After you have added the URL, you will see an option to define user roles. This is a very important part of the setup, as it allows you to choose exactly which team members have access to this specific web tab. Once you have finalized these settings, click Save. You will immediately notice the new tab appearing in your sidebar. You can now click on it anytime to view your integrated tool without ever leaving your accounting platform. This customization is a massive time saver for anyone managing multiple projects or tools throughout the day. It really helps to keep your environment clean and organized. If this video helped you master web tabs in Zoho Books, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest efficiency tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.